Hi children, let us see Unit 4 Part A, The Fun They Had Vocabulary Part. Unit 4 Part A, The Fun They Had Vocabulary Part. New word, crinkly, parts of speech, adjective, meaning with many folds or lines. Awfully, adverb, meaning very bad, unpleasantly. Million, noun, 10 lakhs. Telebooks, noun, books seen or read on a television or computer screen. It is a new word to you in this lesson. Once again, observe clearly, carefully. Telebooks, noun, books seen or read on a television or computer screen. New word, attic, parts of speech, noun, meaning a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Scornful, adjective. Contemptuous, think something is worthless. Slot, noun, a given space, time or position. Geared, verb, adjusted to a particular standard or a level. Beneath, preposition, below. So here almost all the words are new. Observe carefully, children. Attic, noun, a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Scornful, adjective. Contemptuous, think something is worthless. Slot, noun, a given space, time or position. Geared, verb, adjusted to a particular standard or level. Beneath, preposition, below. New word, loftily, adjective, in a superior way. Regular teacher, its noun phrase, a mechanical teacher. Here in this lesson. Betcha, it is an expression, it doesn't come under parts of speech actually. Bet you, sure, I am sure. The meaning of the word is I am sure. New word, dispute, verb, disagree with. Screamed, verb, give a loud cry. Dear children, here in this slide you have one expression and one noun phrase. Observe clearly. New word, nonchalantly, adverb, not showing much interest. Mechanical, adjective, connected with machines operated by power. Connected with machines operated by power. Patted, verb, repeated hitting. Disappointed, adjective, upset. New word, tucked, verb, put something into a space to keep it safe or comfortable. Probably, adverb, is likely to happen. Insert, verb, to put something into something else. Blanked out, phrasal verb, suddenly become empty. These are all the general words which we use in a regular usage. Comprehension. What did Margie write in her diary? What things about the book did Margie find strange? Why do you think Margie was disappointed? Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? Margie says old school was better than the future school. Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons. What kind of school do you wish to have after 30 years? Under teachers for people, what do you understand by this expression? Now children, you can see vocabulary part. Fill in the blanks with the words from the box. So it might be giving you vocabulary building. Please test yourself. Slots, loftily, dispute, screamed, scornful. So these are the words you have to fill in the given blanks. We look dash when we show something useless. Your workbook does not have dash for writing. Why do you always dash your younger brother's statements? The commander ordered dash to the soldiers, open fire. All the boys dash when they saw a snake in their classroom. Children, observe carefully and fill in the blanks.